Artificial intelligence.
It's all around us these days. So just what is artificial intelligence, you might ask? Well, the summarized definition is this. It's the study and development of machines and computer programs that simulate human intelligence and tackle assigned tasks. So there you go. AI is an arm of computer science, and its history really goes back about 6 decades. So whether you realize it or not, AI is essential to many of the tech toys we enjoy today. So here we go. Let me ask you, how many of you have forgotten your mobile phones only to make a special trip to go back and get it? Raise your hand or shake your head up and down. Yes, I think the majority of us have done that. AI is with us on the go. Most of us are joined at the hip with our mobile phones. Unlike the first mobile phones, which could do little more than make calls, save contacts, and take low-resolution photos, the new and improved smartphone is a pocket-sized computer with a full-fledged operating system. And AI is behind much of this evolution. It can read your emails and transcribe your phone call messages, sometimes. And it'll send you a reminder of an event you have on your calendar. Other applications on the phone include guided meditation, health applications, and don't forget the camera with built-in image optimization and so much more. We don't have time to get into everything that the phone can do, but I know each of you, if you have one, you're aware of all of its capabilities, and I'm sure that you get the point here. Artificial intelligence is in most of our homes as well. These days, there's a smart version of pretty much every home device you can think of. Think of Siri, Alexa, smart TVs, kitchen appliances from refrigerators to small appliances like coffee makers. And I'm sure most of you have heard of or have door cameras, baby monitors, and smart thermostats. There are even smart garage doors that let you view the state of your door, whether it's open or closed, and let you control it from your phone so you don't have to trudge outside in your PJs when you're already comfy in bed. That would be an app that I would certainly like to have. And have you ever dropped something on the floor, looked under your bed, only to see a collection of dust bunnies? Well, that's where a compact, smart robot vacuum might come in handy. And what about our modern automobiles? We have autonomous driving and GPS tracking. And Google Maps can give us directions to unknown destinations, as well as give us user-reported data on things like constructions and car accidents so that we can anticipate delays. It can determine our estimated time of arrival and provide us with the fastest route to a destination. It'll tell you when you need an oil change or a tire is low on air pressure. And our mirrors can monitor blind spots, and built-in apps can alert us of dangerous conditions like slip roads. The built-in AI apps in some cars can even help you park the car. I think it's important to also acknowledge some concerns and arguments against the rise of artificial intelligence. And some of you might be familiar with the terms transhumanism and singularity. And these are serious opinions in the discussions today. The definition of singularity is a hypothetical point when artificial intelligence surpasses human intelligence, leading to rapid technological growth that is beyond human comprehension or control. In essence, that means that AI might become smarter than humans, with AI programs learning from each other and eventually taking over our world without having human intervention. Transhumanism is the theory that science and technology can help human beings develop beyond what is physically and mentally possible at the present time. Now, some people fear that technology will be exploited by those wishing to become or even breed as superhumans. Advocates of transhumanism argue that emerging AI technologies can be used to eliminate disease and also improve human life. And the critics say that the transhumanist goal of slowing or reversing aging and extending human lifespans can cause unfair human enhancement in many areas of life. The timeline and likelihood of transhumanism and singularity remain the subjects of debate today, but I thought it was important to address at least these two previous opinions concerning the use of AI at the onset of this presentation. These two beliefs are the hub of many conversations out there, and I'm hoping that with this brief expose, you can become familiar with both sides of the spectrum, so to speak. Now we have an assistant that many of you have probably heard of. It can be accessed on our phones, and it is certainly available on our computers. This assistant is OpenAI's ChatGPT. In January, on January 23rd actually, of 2023, Microsoft announced the third phase of their long-term partnership with OpenAI through a multi-year, multi-billion-dollar investment to accelerate AI breakthroughs and ensure that the benefits are broadly shared with the world. Launched in November 2022, it managed to gain over 100 million users in the first couple of months. That set records for the fastest growing user base in the online world. Many of us have probably played around with ChatGPT, or at least know someone who has. It is lightning fast with its answers to questions. The key is knowing how to properly phrase questions to get a relevant answer. This technology is changing the landscape of all aspects of our lives and industries. It's now the scuttlebutt of social media, mainstream news spots, script writing for blogs and optimized SEO. It's expanded marketing strategies and education, and has even raised mark of the beast worries and speculation. All of these artificial intelligence evolutions and an ever-expanding multi-million-dollar industry base are taking web and mobile technologies to a whole new level. Let's take a moment to talk a little bit about what ChatGPT is and look at a few other chatbots that are out there. So I guess the definition of ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool driven by AI technology that allows you to have human-like conversations and much more with the chatbot. The software uses three models called generative pre-trained transformers, and that is where that's what the GPT stands for. And I think ChatGPT is probably the most popular chatbot out there. Currently, it's running on version 3.5, and it's a really fast model, and it's good for most everyday tasks. And the language model can answer questions and assist you with tasks such as composing emails, essays, and even writing code. There is a ChatGPT 4 out there now, and it claims to be the next level of AI content generation that can incorporate image recognition, among other improvements. I believe that ChatGPT 4 they charge you for, and I think at this current point in time they are charging a $20 per month subscription for that. Let's also take a look here at Bing Chat. That's also a Microsoft product, and you can find that at https://bing.com from your Edge browser. And this chatbot is unique in that it can browse the internet with you. It's like having a research assistant and a personal planner and a creative partner at your side whenever you're searching the web. It's pretty cool. So like when you land on a page, you can ask Bing to summarize the content for you, ask questions about the content, search for more information, create tables, and just a whole bunch of other functions that it has the ability to do. Bing searches relevant content across the web and then summarizes what it finds. And it generates a pretty helpful response, I have found. So it also cites its sources, so that's a really big plus. And so you're able to see links to where the content comes from, and you can reference that. And again, it is built into the Microsoft Edge browser. And again, Microsoft is leading the way. So another chatbot that you might be familiar with or have heard of is Bard. And Bard is an experiment by Google. And it focuses on providing human-like interactions and understanding complex queries. And so it is an experiment, and they're working on their version of the chatbot. But additional AI services offered by Google can also be found at https://ai.google.com. So now for a little bit of trivia. There's a well-known expression that was inspired by the Lewis and Kahn boxing match of 1941. And I'm sure you're all familiar with it. You can run, but you cannot hide. That means you can try to escape from your real or imagined fears, but they'll eventually catch up with you. The reason that I brought that up is that I feel that it also applies here. That this technology is here, and you can run, but you can't hide from it. Yes, artificial intelligence. It's all around us these days, and I guess it's up to you to decide if you're going to embrace it or fall behind the competition. So right now, let's take a quick look at how artificial intelligence can work for you. So what technologies are available to small business? How can small business responsibly use these new technologies? And why should businesses use these new AI platforms and apps? AI can provide round-the-clock customer support, ensuring that your business is always accessible to customers 24/7. AI can be programmed to handle your customer questions without your needing to add additional staff, and that also adds scalability as your business grows. And it can provide instant responses to your customer questions about your products, and that reduces response time. It can help generate high-quality blog posts, articles, and website content quickly. It can help engaging social media posts and captions to maintain an active online presence, and it helps businesses craft compelling marketing copy for advertisements, emails, and other promotional materials. AI assistants can help in brainstorming new product ideas, suggest brand names, product names, and catchy taglines that resonate with your target audience. And it can also recommend creative solutions to unique challenges. Do you ever need help with your market research? AI can help gather information about your competitors, their products, and market trends to refine your business strategies. If your business serves an international audience, AI applications can provide real-time translation to facilitate your communication. Generative AI can aid you in creating training materials and onboarding guides for your new employees, and this can help to ensure consistency in your training. Now let's talk a little bit about how you and your business can responsibly use these technologies that are out there. First, you need to understand the technology. Educate yourself and your team about what AI is, how it works, and its potential application that can be valuable to your business. You need to clearly identify your business goals for using AI. This will help you focus on specific areas where AI can make a positive impact for your business. Make sure that ethical considerations are a priority. This will include things such as data privacy, bias mitigation, and transparency. Ensure the data that you are using for training your AI models is accurate, relevant, and really representative of your target audience. And please safeguard your customers' data and follow relevant data protection regulations. And some of those would include GDPR and CCPA regulations. Use AI technologies that will offer transparency and explainability. And this will allow you to understand how the AI systems are making their decisions. Start with smaller AI projects to test and understand the technology's impact on your business before starting to scale up. Always maintain human oversight and involvement in your AI processes to catch any errors, to handle complex situations, and ensure responsible decision making. It's good practice to obtain your customer consent before you use AI to process their data, and clearly communicate how AI is being used in your business. And be sure to train your employees about AI technologies, their benefits and their limitations, and encourage ethical AI practices among your team. It is anticipated that many companies will soon have a separate AI department. Create ways for your customers and employees to provide feedback on your AI systems. This will allow you to improve your interactions and address any concerns that may come up. It's important to stay informed about AI ethics, regulations, and best practices to make sure you're using your systems responsibly. By following these guidelines, businesses can harness the power of AI technologies while maintaining ethical standards, minimizing risks, and contributing to a more responsible and sustainable AI ecosystem. Businesses of all sizes can benefit from using AI, and for all kinds of reasons. AI technology offers advantages like improved efficiency, productivity, and a cost savings. And recapping some of the compelling reasons why businesses should consider integrating AI include automation, personalized customer service, and improved marketing. AI can also give you a competitive advantage over your competitors in this ever-changing business landscape. And even though AI offers a lot of benefits, it is important for businesses to consider their specific needs, resources, and the potential challenge when implementing AI solutions. In summary, I think it bears repeating that it is critical that each of us take our responsibility seriously when using artificial intelligence. Ensure your data is correct and constantly monitor your AI applications. And as a very wise man recently relayed to me, use the PIE principle, that's P-I-E, and that stands for professionalism, integrity, and ethics. Yes, artificial intelligence. It's all around us these days, folks, and it is here to stay.